Black Tourmaline, the protective shield. Our next crystal is Black Tourmaline. Black Tourmaline is a powerful grounding stone that offers protection against negative energies and psychic attacks. It's often placed at the entrances of homes or carried as a talisman to create a protective barrier, ensuring that a safe and secure environment is there for magical practices. Black Tourmaline is part of the Tourmaline family. It's also known as schorl and is a type of silicate crystal. It's commonly found in trigonal crystal systems and is made up of sodium, iron, aluminum, borate silicate. The stone is black, as the name implies, and black tourmaline crystals mean grounding and protection. While black tourmaline may seem stripped of any color, it's a hugely powerful stone for those who want to wear a constant cloak of protection. Potent, inky black, and with strong grounding forces, this jet-colored stone is known for being a swallower of negative energies. It effectively helps the wearer to be absolved of dark feelings, turning those anxious vibrations into a positive spin that nurtures the soul. Black tourmaline is deeply connected to the base chakras, those earthy roots that help you to feel safe and secure in your place upon this earth. When your root chakras are beautifully balanced and in check, this grants you that deep-seated self-confidence to embrace who you are, speak your truth, and set upon your own path to spiritual healing. And black tourmaline can pave the way to this. Its physical healing properties are it boosts your metabolism, and it's also said to block EMFs, electromagnetic fields. Perhaps the most famed benefit of the black tourmaline stones, it would have to be its mighty protective properties. This is a stone so well versed at keeping you in the clear from toxic energies that you can step out without a worry. Whether dealing with a dose of negativity from another person, blocking EMFs, and worrying about environmental factors, wearing black tourmaline is akin to always carrying a shield, which cannot help but add a swagger of positive energy every time you step out. Black tourmaline has plenty of physical benefits for those whose bodies could use an extra dose of toughness, helping circulation, reducing negative imprint of lung problems, boosting metabolism, and effectively cutting down on muscle aches and pains are just a few things that black tourmaline can do. As a wonderful supporter of all organ systems and the immune system, you can expect black tourmaline to pick up the pace when it comes to swift and smooth healing. If you find yourself a sensitive soul when it comes to electromagnetic forces, then black tourmaline can be the stone you need. Laptops, phones, TVs, power lines, all these give off a magnetic field, sometimes quite small, that can cause chaos to those who are very prone to EMF sensitivity. Fortunately, black tourmaline can stop EMF in its tracks, forming a protective barrier and soaking up that smog. In emotional healing,